Over the last 12 months, I've generated thousands of AI UGC videos for myself and for my clients, and some of them have hit millions of views. So today, I want to take you behind the scenes of my whole workflow. From cloning any viral UGC video in minutes to creating this ultra-realistic street interview format that's pulling in millions of views. I'll be sharing the exact prompts and workflows to build videos like these. And all I ask in return is for you to drop a like on this video. Let's get into it. The main software I'm using today is called Pollo AI. I leave a link in the description if you want to follow along. Under the hood, it runs all of the top video and image generation models. And today, I'm mainly using Gemini Omni for pretty much everything you're about to see. What I like the most is how convenient it is. Once I log into the tool, I click Agent on the left, and here we have multiple skills for UGC video built in. So I found this viral UGC video on TikTok showcasing a hoodie, and let's say I want to recreate this exact same style but with my own product. I select clone video ads, then I drop in my product image and paste the link to the original video right in the same chat. I can drop in an image and a link together right in the same place, and I can also just upload the video directly here as well. I hit send and the agent immediately gets to work. You can see it breaking down the original video style, structure, pacing, checking the exact duration, and figuring out the right model before it builds anything. And in under 10 minutes we get the full video done.
Okay, I'm a hoodie connoisseur. I love a good hoodie. I have a lot of favorites.
Okay, wait, I need to talk about this hoodie for a second because I don't think I've taken it off in 3 days. Look how thick this fabric is. It's not one of those flimsy ones that pal after a wash. This is genuinely on repeat in my closet right now.
All right, so as you can see, the agent nailed a similar structure and style just with my own product integrated instead. Using the reference video, it wrote a brand new script and switched up the filming style slightly, all while keeping that authentic UGC feel intact. Cloning viral videos like this saves me a ton of time for both client work and for my own projects. But this next skill inside Pollo AI agent literally lets you drop in a product photo or URL and get a full video done. I'll select photo to video ads. From here, I can just send my product photo and brainstorm the video idea directly with the agent, or I can just scroll down a little bit and choose one of these templates. I'll go with this one and click try now. Now I'll just swap the existing product image to my product instead and hit send. And the agent starts building the ad. So after analyzing everything, it comes up with a full video structure and the actual presenter image. It then asks whether I approve this and offers a few different ways I could structure the video instead. In my case, everything looks great, so I'll just go ahead and confirm the first version. And here's our finished ad.
Looking for a scent that feels soft? The bottle is beautiful to leave on your vanity. It opens fresh and settles into this glow. It is perfect for when you want to smell expensive.
As you can see, it changed the perfume bottle from the template with the one I uploaded, and this format is a lot more polished, so it would be perfect for running paid ads. Now you can also select URL to video ads, drop in your product URL right here, and just hit send. And the agent pulls everything it needs directly from the page, the product name, images, selling points, even the audience straight off the URL. Now I'll just select the first option, vertical video in English. Right after that, it brainstorms a few potential UGC video ideas. So we got glow up confession, your skin deserves this, and liquid gold. I'm gonna go with the first direction and let it generate the presenter image first. Once the generation is finished, I'll approve it and let it generate the full script. All right, so the agent created the full video breakdown with all of the scenes and the script. I'm just gonna go with it and click generate. And here's the finished video.
Wait, my skin has never looked like this. I've tried everything for dullness and uneven texture. Then I found this. It absorbs instantly, no stickiness, and my skin already looks smoother and brighter.
Now, let's say I want to tweak this video, maybe change the hook, the pacing, or anything else. I don't need to start over. I can just tell the agent what to change right here in the same chat. And it updates the video without rebuilding the whole thing from scratch.
Wait, my skin has never looked like this. Okay, I need to talk about my skincare routine.
This next format is the one I mentioned at the start, the street style interview format. And it's honestly one of the strongest UGC formats I've seen. The concept is super simple, but think about how many products you could apply this to. Supplements, drinks, skincare, fashion, anything a person can hold, taste, or react to on camera. To build this from scratch, I'm going to use this master prompt that I left for you in the description below. So here's how it works. I copied this prompt and opened Claude. Then I drop this prompt in, attach a photo of my product, in my case, a protein donut. Then I just add a brief explainer of my product here in the brackets and hit send. And Claude takes it from there. It generates the entire a document, including 5 different characters, each with a full image prompt and a matching animation prompt, all built around my product. Now I just copied this first character's image prompt. I'll open Creative Studio, select image, then GPT image 2, 9:16, drop in the prompt and hit generate. And just like that, we got our first character. I'll repeat this with the remaining 4, and here are all 5 ready to animate. Personally, I did a couple extra generations and picked my favorite ones out of the batch. Now I'll save them to my computer and switch to video here on the left, upload the first character image and drop in that character's animation prompt straight from what Claude built. I'll make sure Gemini Omni is selected, set the video length to 7 seconds and hit generate. So here's our first clip done.
It's kind of dry. No, wait, that's not dry at all. Okay, yeah.
Now I'll just repeat the same process for the remaining 4 characters. And in about 15 minutes, I have all 5 ready. And I really like how they came out, like this one, for example.
Wait, how much protein is actually in this?
I'm most likely gonna use this one as an opening hook, and I'm seriously impressed by how fast this Gemini Omni model is generating these videos and how realistic they look. Now I just save everything to my computer, drop the clips into my editing software, stitch them together, add captions, and we've got a full interview style UGC video done.
Wait, how much protein is actually in this?
How did nobody tell me about this? It's kind of dry. No, wait, that's not dry at all. This is actually really good. Okay, this is way better than it has any right to be.
Yeah, this honestly looks great. Something you could run as a paid ad or just post organically. And this could become a great series for your brand that you can post consistently. Again, this exact prompt is in the description below, and it's not built for just one product. Just attach your own product photo, send it to Claude, and it builds the entire thing around whatever you're selling. Then you just take everything into Pollo AI Creative Studio and build it out from there. Okay, this one is a huge time saver if you're running an actual brand and not just making one-off videos. Instead of typing out your brand style every time, Pollo AI can just build a brand kit straight from your website. So I'm gonna head over to brand kit here on the left and click create brand kit. Let's just use my own site as an example and click import, and it pulls my colors, fonts and logos straight off the site. Let's click create, and now we got a brand kit set up. Let's say I want to create a mock-up image for my digital product about Instagram carousels. Here in the Creative Studio, I can type something like this. I'll make sure GPT image 2 is selected, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit generate. And here's what we got. Once your brand kit is set, the agent already knows your exact style. So every single thing you generate after this just looks like it belongs to your brand. So yeah, hopefully this workflow helps you with your AI UGC content creation. And if you want to try out Pollo AI and get all of the prompts I used in this video, everything is gonna be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.